In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Gmail to Claude AI. By the end of this walkthrough, your Gmail account will be securely linked as a connector inside Claude, so you can streamline your workflow and make email-related tasks much easier. First, open your Claude account and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the main screen, look toward the corner of the page for your profile icon or name. Click that to open your profile menu. From there, select Settings. This takes you to the place where all of your account preferences and integrations are managed, which is exactly where we need to be to set up Gmail. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Connectors. Click Connectors to view services that can integrate with Claude. Next, click Browse Connectors. This opens a catalog of available integrations. At the top, you'll see a search bar. In that search bar, type Gmail. When the Gmail connector appears in the results, click it to open the connector details. You'll see a brief description of what the connector does and what kind of access it needs to work properly. Now click Connect. This will launch a Google sign-in and permission window. Follow the prompts on your screen. Choose the Google account you want to link to Claude. If you're already signed into multiple Google accounts in your browser, make sure you select the correct one. You'll be asked to review the permissions the connector requires. Read through them, and when you're comfortable, confirm by clicking Allow. If your Google account uses two-step verification, complete that as prompted. After you grant access, you'll be redirected back to Claude, and you should see Gmail listed as connected under your connectors. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. If the Connect button doesn't open anything, check your browser's pop-up settings and allow pop-ups for this site, then try again. If you accidentally picked the wrong Google account, you can disconnect the connector in the same connectors area and reconnect with the right one. If you're using a work or school account, your administrator might need to allow third-party connections before this will work. And remember, you can always come back to settings and connectors to review or remove access later if you no longer need the integration. That's it. You opened your Claude account, went to your profile and settings, opened connectors, browsed for Gmail, clicked connect, and followed the on-screen prompts. Your Gmail is now connected to Claude.